We're going to have a look at percentage increase and decrease. This is where you find the percentage and either add it on or take it away. So I'll have a go at some examples then. An airline has a sale on watches bought on board the aircraft, 15% off. How much would a watch at £126 cost now? Now I'm going to show you this first one two ways. And I really want you to try and look at the second way and try them that way. So 15% of 126, 15% means 15 out of 100. So usual percentage, divide by 100 times by the amount. If you like doing this without a calculator, an easy way to do 15% is to find 10%, which would be 12.6, half it, 6.3, add the two together, and you will get 18.9. Because it's money, I'll add an extra zero at the end, £18.90. That means we save £18.90. So I'm going to take it off from £126. Which is £107 and 10 pence. Now, like before, we can do this the quicker way. The watch cost 100%, we save 15%. So it's only going to cost us 85% of the amount. So if we do 85% of 126, percent's done the usual way, divide by 100 times by the amount. And that will take us straight to our answer of £107 and 10 pence. Okay, let's try another one. Number 2, cabin crew member who earns £22,540 gets a 1.9% pay rise. How much do they earn now? I'm going to do it the quick way first. It's a pay rise. So that was the 100%, that's how much they used to now earn an extra 1.9%. So they earn 101.9%. Don't worry, that's over 100. So we need to find 101.9% of 22,540. Percent means out of 100, so we divide by 100 and times. That comes out 22968.26, 22968. I've forgotten it, 26. So they now earn £22,968.26. I'll do this one for you the other way as well, in case there's anyone not happy with this way then. 1.9% of 22,540. Percent means out of 100, which is £428.26. That's how much extra she would then earn. Add it on. $22,540, and that is £22,968.26. Okay. Oh, I'm going to stop there.